How do you create professional looking splash photographs on a budget? So here's the setup, very simple. Camera, table, glass and wall. So here we have the camera with the radio trigger to set off the flash, a glass of water of course, and a jug of water to top up the glass, and if you have it, a remote control is very handy. And we're tethered to the TV so we can see what's happening. And we protect the flash gun by covering it in a plastic bag. And take a picture without any splashes initially, so you have a clean image. So let's get started with the dropping. The camera's already focused and it's locked in manual focus. You can see that you don't always get it right. Keep trying. This is a little better, not very high splash though. So we keep trying. It's a numbers game, just have to keep going. And look, we're starting to get some great results now. And once the glass is full, take the cubes out, ready to start again. And what's freezing the splashes is actually the flash duration speed, not the shutter speed. And let's top up to get a good splash and start dropping again. We're getting a little better at the timing. That one looked pretty good. Yes, starting to look very good. And we just keep going. Take a few, got some good height on that one. And we're flashing and splashing. These are starting to look really good. So it's as simple as that. Pro looking splash photography on a budget with an entry-level DSLR and a kit lens. If you found this interesting or useful, please like and subscribe. You can find a written article on this subject at photographyschool.com, school with a K, in the technique section.